Hello, this is Chris back again with another video. Here I have the Bebop one, and when I crashed this, I just didn't even want to look at this for a long time. And then eventually I put it back together, and I'll leave a link in the description to kind of show you how to put this back together. It's very doable. There's a ton of how-to videos on, replacing parts and things, and you just order all your parts from the Parrot store, or I guess there's some other stores where you can buy spare parts for this. But with everything going on with this thing, I lost the cap, and so I want to 3D print a cap for this. But not only that, UV shade using the cap that I'm going to 3D print. Okay, I misplaced my cap for the Parrot Bebop 1, and so I'm going to 3D print this without any wraps and without any support. Hopefully this works. If not, I probably have to put some support and see if that will work. But this will not work for the Parrot Bebop 2 because it's a bit too small. But I'm wondering with Tinkercad if I can just make it a little bit wider and a little bit taller, I guess. Maybe it'll fit for the Bebop 2. now it's all done, and it's a very tight fit. I don't even need to put a rubber band on it if I'm going to store it. It's a snug fit. I do need a sand inside so it doesn't rub against the lens. But if I were to fly this, I'm going to use a rubber band, okay, and wrap around where you're supposed to wrap around. But my plan is to cut this little dome off, right? And maybe that's going to give enough protection. So if we look here, it sticks out a little bit, okay? Less than the 33 millimeter UV lens that I put on the Bebop 2. It does fit on this. But if I do that, I don't think it will hinder the view looking up or looking down. So anyway, that will be in the next video.